नमस्कार। आज का मेरा टॉपिक है रिकॉल ऑफ रिलेशन। ये हम लोग क्लास 11th में पढ़ चुके हैं। क्लास 12th में रिलेशन शुरू करने के पहले ज़रूरी है कि हम एक बार 2 मिनट इसको रिकॉल करें। एवरी सबसेट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी is called a relation from A to B. Symbolically, we denote R is a relation from A to B. And if R is a relation from A to B, it means elements of R will be set of ordered pairs whose first entry must be from first set A and second entry must be from second set B. So every subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. Consider this relation. It is a relation from A to B. Why? Because R is subset of A cross B. See here, R is subset of A cross B. Each element of R is element of A cross B, because ordered pair 1 8 2 5 4 5 4 6, these all are elements of A cross B. And when we write ordered pair 1 8, it means 1 is related with 8, 1 is connected with 8. See in the figure, 1 is connected with 8, 2 is connected with 5, see here 2 5, and similarly 4 is connected with 5, 4 is also connected with 6. So this is the relation from A to B, because this set R, which is set of ordered pairs, is subset of A cross B. That's why R is a relation from A to B. And which element is connected with which element is written by this. 1 is related with 8, 2 is related with 5, 4 is related with 5, and 4 is related with 6. And in tabular form we write R as this. So every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Consider another example. Here R is a relation from A to A. We simply say R is a relation on A. Why? Because R is subset of A cross B. Each element of R, there are 4 elements, 1 2 3 4. Each element of R is an element of A cross B, A cross A. That's why R is a relation on A. In this relation we find 1 is related with 1, 1 is related with 1, 2 is related with 1, 2 is related with 1, and similarly 4 is related with 4, 4 is related with 5. Observe, it is not necessary that every element of A should be related with some element of B. We have to see only that the elements of R are from A cross B, or in this case from A cross A. Then R is a relation from A to B or a relation from A to A. What is domain of a relation? Set of first entries of elements of R is called domain of R. This is defined. If this is a relation from A to B, then set of first entries 1, 2, 4, repetition is not allowed, 4. So what is its domain? Domain is triplet 1 to 4. Next, range of a relation. What is range of a relation? Set of second entries. Set of second entries of elements of R is called range of R. In this situation, where R is a relation from A to B, what will be range? Then set of second entries 8, 5, 5, no repetition, 6. So what should be a range in this case? Range is triplet 8, 5, 6. Next, number of relations can be defined from a given set A to a given set B. क्या इसका मतलब हुआ? यदि सेट A और सेट B गिवन है, सेट A is given, set B is given, then how many relations can be defined from set A to set B? It is very simple. Let number of elements in A is P and number of elements in B is Q. Then what will be number of elements in A cross B? Necessarily it is P into Q. Number of elements in A into number of elements in B. If a set has n elements, we know it will have 2 to the power n subsets. Since A cross B has P into Q elements, so how many subsets we have of A cross B? Necessarily 2 to the power PQ. And since every subset is a relation from A to B, so what will be number of relations from A to B? Number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power P into Q, where P is number of elements in A, Q is number of elements in B. Now, if a relation is defined on a set, that is a relation from set A to set A, and suppose set A has P elements, then what will be? Then how many relations can be defined on A? Number of relations which can be defined on a given set A. Let number of elements in A is P, the number of elements in A cross A, necessarily P square, the number of subsets of A cross A, necessarily 2 to the power P square. So what will be number of relations? Necessarily it will be 2 to the power P square. So if a set has P elements, if a set has p elements, then number of relations which can be defined on that set will be 2 to the power p square. So this is all about relations what we have read in class 11th. Now my next presentation will be types of relation. और ये हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.